Okay, so hi guys, hi everyone, good evening to you all, and once again guys, welcome to the Mastery Academy, and kindly forgive us guys, and thanks for waiting. We know we have been delayed a few minutes, but that's okay I guess. Okay, today is the first session. Okay, so thank you everyone for this warm and wonderful welcome. So I hope my voice is clear, you can see me clearly. So I guess today is an exciting thing for us, for the entire team of Mastery Academy. I hope it will be as exciting to you all to know that we are starting the batch from today. Yes guys, pre-batch, that is the first batch that we are launching in. So I'll just come back to this particular format, but before that let me inform you guys, we the Mastery Academy have been active on YouTube, on Instagram, so kindly check us out there so that everything will be let known to you on a perfect basis. And then check out the previous videos, the previous sessions that we have uploaded on this particular platform of the multinational companies skills program, especially to those people who want to make out career into the corporate world. And let us know your comments guys, so that we may improve ourselves and present you in a wonderful manner so that you can enjoy it furthermore. Okay, now about the classes guys, the Mastery Academy, we have launched an application that is available on Google Play Store, so kindly download the application from there and let us know how your experience has been in using that application. All right, now coming back to today's session, what we are going to do, what especially am I going to be talking about. See, today I am going to explain this skills program that we have bought. What is it that we are going to convey to you? Okay, what is it that we are going to teach you on an educational basis, and what are the specializations that we are going to provide you in this particular program. Before that, download the application, Mastery Academy application. The links have been given in the description. Kindly join us on the YouTube and Instagram so that notifications will be brought to you depending on your level of interest into the corporate world. Alright guys, so coming back to this thing. Now as you might be seeing on the screen guys, okay, a few days ago, not more than a week ago, we really enjoyed one of the great and honorable day that we have got as Indians, Republic Day guys. Yes guys, the 77th Republic Day of our country India. I wish you all once again belated, but yes, once again I wish you all happy Republic Day. So on this wonderful occasion, on this respectable and honorable position of the country, to all and each and every individual, the citizen of India, Republic Day is a respected and wonderful thing. I'm not going to give a lecture on that, but within the purview of Republic Day, we Mastery Academy had in fact thought of launching the first batch, the pre-batch, on the 30th of January guys, but it has been delayed. Okay, so today is 31st. Today is the day that we are launching the batch. So this wonderful occasion, we have thought of an a gift that we are giving to all our students who are going to join us now. What is that gift? I'll tell you later. Okay, so stick with us. Now guys, like I said, this is the application because a number of students are saying we can't find the application. This is the logo. Okay, the links have been given. Download the application and let us know your comments. Now coming back to the content guys, what is it that we the Mastery Academy are providing you in this skills program? Before talking about the provision, I'll talk about what are the professional level of expertise that we have and we are going to take forward. See, one important thing that I am going to explain, a number of students, a number of graduates keep on asking us, not just us, but any of the educator or any of the person who is part of the corporate world. One of the most important question is how to find a job. Okay, See, this is one of the major questions that each and every graduate after coming out of college or within this purview of 4 to 5 years of his life after graduation, whether he is working or not working, fresher or experienced, this one question comes into mind of each and every individual who wants to be a part of corporate world. Corporate world, okay? How to find a job? So I hope my voice is clear, guys. Thank you for letting me know. Muhammad Rafi, okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so how to find a job? This is one of the important question. See, let me tell you something. If you want to be a part of the public sector, if anyone wants to be a part of the government job sector, it is very easy. We all know, easy in this sense, I'm talking about the approach. Okay, we all know, we are well quite aware that there are a number of examinations that are conducted by the state and central government part. You have to apply for those posts and you'll get the deadlines very easily. Easily in this sense, everyone is aware of that. But when it comes to the corporate world, multinational companies, a number of people don't know how to actually find a job. Well, like I've said in previous session also, again and again, a number of people, they just post their resumes on the job roles that are specified on social platforms. Okay, Naukri and LinkedIn I'm talking about. Definitely those are wonderful platforms, but one should be quite aware as to how actually work on those platforms. Now apart from those platforms, there are certain different ways, okay, where you can find the jobs. A number of employees are unaware of that. So first of all, we'll be telling you about the ways, about the paths that a person has to follow correctly to find a job. Okay, we'll tell you where you have to apply, which website you have to refer for, what is the structure that MNCs provide for employees to get an entry into the corporate world, how to find a job. Now, I am not just talking about engineering graduates, I am talking about all the graduates, engineering, BE, let it be masters, postgraduate, BE, MCA, MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom, BA, or any other graduates coming from any of the background, independent of whatever he is. If he is a graduate, if he has that degree, if he possesses some professional certificates, and if he has those strengths, definitely everyone has strengths, so we are going to employ those strengths into a right path. Just for example, if I talk about, very few people know about the NQTs, okay, National Qualifiers Test. Those people who belong to the tier 2 colleges, they are aware, but a large number of people are not aware of many of the other factors. There is NQTs, you can register on the Superset platform, you can register through CoCubes, eLitmus, and those masters people, they can register through AMCAT, they can go up through the WILP, okay, sorry, I think WILP, yes, belonging to the Wipro, and these kind of many other platforms that are available, that we are going to guide you. Okay, we'll tell you how you should register there, how you should apply, how you should stay connected with the companies, and how you should find a particular job. And not just about that, see, if you have found a job, whatever I am saying, it is nothing new. You can find this information on Google. It is a common data, okay, everyone, majority of people know that. But there is a difficulty. Many people apply to a specific role or a specific job on desired platforms, but they don't get the job. There are a few reasons for that. See, it is not just that you see a job opening and do just directly send out your resume. Okay, that is not going to work on that basis. First of all, whatever strengths that you possess, either you are coming from engineering background, or whether you are coming from an vocational training part, or you have undergone another professional course such as data science, okay, working on some different projects, implementation projects, roll-on projects, back-end, front-end format, many different various formats. You should be aware the strengths that you have and apply to those jobs, those job roles, posts that you find comfortable and you are comfortable working with. See, a number of people, what they do, they just keep on applying, they just keep on sending resume to the same job. Whenever they see there is a graduation required, they keep on applying. See, there are thousands of people who are already graduates, and thousands of people, they apply for a specific job. Now there is a reason. Why is it that a person who is hiring, or why is it that MNC that is hiring for a specific role should pick out an specific individual? For example, if I am applying, then why is it that the MNC has to pick me? Because I have to give them something. right? It is not that I'm just going to show them the graduation certificate, professional certifications and get hired. No, I can't expect that. I should be able to express those strengths. I should be able to actually work on those professional certifications. Okay, we are going to tell you how these certifications work in reality, because each and everyone among us is now moving on, taking on these professional certifications and moving on into interviews. Okay, we have to change that approach. We'll tell you in detail what the reality is of the certifications and how you have to employ them. I'm not saying that they are useless. No, nothing is useless, guys. Everything is useful, but you should know how to present them. And then coming for the building up part. See, resume building, number of students, what they do, they apply the same resume, they take out the same resume and apply to the various different roles. Okay, that particular company is offering something and they are asking something. Okay, I hope my voice is a little breaking, so I'll just hold out this mic first time, guys. Okay, so see, a number of people, what they are doing, suppose they are applying for 2 to 3 different companies. They are posting the same resume. Okay, same resume to this company, same resume to the second, and same to the third. See, that is not going to work, guys, because the requirement of each and every company is different. So you have to act as per their requirement. See, for example, if a person has completed engineering, I'll talk about engineering. See, in engineering, a person learns about all the subjects. Okay, he has learnt about designing, he has learnt about drawing, he has learnt about technology, he has learnt about C++, programming, projects, and many more things. So if you just build out your resume on whatever content that you have added, that is not going to specify. The requirement should be clearly mentioned in your resume. Suppose design is your strength and there is a job posting for design, you should maintain and you should mention whatever content that you have learned in the designing format in the graduation. Okay, those points you have to add. Like I said, there are many subjects that you have learnt, there are a number of pages, so you can't keep on adding each and every word to word, right? You should know which points to add, so that the company will come to know that this candidate, he understands what we need and is capable, and then will process to him. Okay, that we are going to guide you. And then one more thing about calls, guys. See, a number of people, they are posting thousands of job applications. They are applying, they are sending their resumes daily. A student came to us, he said that he was posting about 50 to 70 resumes online, but he is not getting any calls. See, there is a reason that is happening. You have to post and you have to act, you have to post and you have to act in accordance. See, if you are posting 50 resumes per day, then there is something wrong. The resume should be picked out. It should be taken apart from the tracking system. See, what happens in MNCs, there are different stages. There is not one person that is going to pick out your resume, is going to contact you, is going to call you to the interviews. No, there are different variations. And you should know how to connect to those stages. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It should be in the form of a cycle. We are going to guide you with that. Okay, and resume building, there is a different platform, guys. Professionally, you have to know the types of resume. Do you know that there are many different types and formats of resume? Yes, we are going to guide you with that. And with respect to calls, guys, whenever a HR calls you, you should speak to him in a professional manner. See, students usually speak out on a direct basis. Suppose, for example, like I've also said in the previous session, if they ask you about projects, a number of people who have done those projects will say, yes sir, we have worked on the projects. And few people who have not worked on those projects will directly say, no sir, we have not worked on those projects. See, both these answers are not going to get you processed, because there is a relation, guys. Okay, those stages are connected. What are those stages? That we are going to discuss once again. And then about the interviews. See, always remember, whenever you are called out for an interview, there are different parts for interviews. Okay, there are different stages of interviews, and once again there are different types of interviews. Just for example, if I talk about the UPSC or public commission interviews, those are board interviews, right? Okay, so those interviews are different. The interviews that you provide for a particular company is different: face to face, virtual, online, walk-in, okay, or pool-based interviews, off-campus interviews, on-campus interviews. A person should be aware, suppose he is not getting picked out from college, he should know which company is hiring, within what month he is hiring, and within what platform he is hiring. Okay, either he is hiring from Naukri, he is hiring from LinkedIn, or where is it that he should contact you. and a person should also know how to communicate, how to contact with companies. You can't just take your resume from door to door. Okay, we have moved on from that now. We are in the technological world. You should know how to contact companies, you should know how to find job, you should know what the job roles are, and negotiation. Okay, negotiation, always remember, interviews are not one-sided. It is a communication platform. But a number of students today, what they do, they just think that he's in some kind of a war or a battle that's going on. Person is asking questions and is keeping on answering. Without negotiation, without no communication, no coordination. Okay, about salary discussion. See, salary discussion is the most important part of interviews. A number of people don't do that. Whatever they see on the post, they keep on expecting within that range only. Okay, there are various jobs that offer 5 LPA, 10 LPA, 15 LPA, 20 LPA, 25 LPA. Yes, guys, there are jobs, but you should be worthy. You should present yourself. Okay, so we are going to discuss about interviews, types of interviews, and all those systems up till the point out of the graduation. Okay, when you come out of the graduation, up till the point, the onboarding point, whatever process there is, we are going to discuss about the examinations like e-litmus, okay, CoCube, AMCAT, and there are various different programs that companies hire, like 2 days ago, Exceller requirement, Capgemini, okay, Capgemini or Cognizant, I think, sorry, Capgemini, okay, they are hiring through Exceller platforms, then Superset websites. Okay, so we are going to discuss about all that. Now, one more important thing about jobs. Say the layoffs, the cooling periods, and AI, with the upcoming of AI, number of people are thinking that their jobs are going to, to be eaten out. And number of people are saying data science, number of people are saying DevOps, and they are saying something else, they are saying something else. So what happens to all those other people who have done graduation in different platforms apart from data science? Okay, it is not that they are going to completely submerge out of the world. See, that is not going to happen. AI, definitely technology keeps on changing. AI within the current basis is on top. SQL, it is on top. HTML, it is on top. But you should be aware of what you're doing. See, whenever I say HTML, see, one more important thing. A student came to us and he was talking about HTML. Okay, he had experience, so on and so on. Now, if I ask you about what HTML, what do you mean by HTML? A person who has worked, he will explain that I have worked on this. It is about semantics, it is about back-end, front-end, and so on. That is right. But you should know what actually you're doing in HTML, what kind of language that is. That is a markup language. What do you mean by markup language? What do you mean by hypertext? What do you mean by the C++ string platforms? Okay, you should be aware. Java and Python. Yes, one more thing, guys. A number of students are jumping on to the Java and Python coding. I'm not saying it is wrong. Everything is useful, but do it on a right basis. Okay, one question I had asked is, what is this? Okay, this is one question that we had uploaded on our social platform. A number of students didn't know what it actually meant. So this is C#. It is a modified version of C++ language. Java, Python, SQL, Kotlin, they are all developing, but within 2025, the major language that is keeping on developing on a hidden basis, C to C++ and C#. Okay, if you want to learn any language on a highly modernized basis, 2025 modern language that has developed a lot is C#. So this does not mean everyone has to jump on to C# and leave out other languages. Okay, so we have to manage all that. There is a trend, we have to follow that trend. Whatever strengths you have to present them in a right basis. All right, so these are some of the features that I have tried to explain on a short basis. Okay, we are going to discuss in details. We are going to provide you with the syllabus and everything. So this is an educational platform, like I said, skills program. This is going to be 45 days to 2 months. Okay, maximum basis, this is going to be a 2 months program. Now, one more important thing. A student asked us, sir, only 2 months? Why is that, sir? 4 months, 5 months, that kind of thing, you should provide only 2 months. So always remember, time is a very important factor in case of corporate world. Okay, how much time you have not worked, how much time you have kept idle. I'm not saying you should always keep in line with time. I'm saying whatever you have done, you should be able to specify. Suppose an individual who has provided 2 years of his life into public service examination or any government job. Okay, so now what happens after 2 years? If you walk into the MNCs, They are not going to consider it in a right way if you're unaware of what you have done in 2 years. For this particular 2 year, it is not that a person has just kept idle. See, doing nothing and being idle are two different things. Okay, it is not that any individual after graduation does nothing. No, that is not true. Each and everyone does something, each and everyone tries something, right? So we have to present that in a right way. So whether freshers or experienced, see, experienced people we are going to consider on a maximum basis 5 to 7 years. Okay, I would say 5 years professionally. Okay, I'm not talking 5 years like I have worked here, there and there, but a person who has actually entered into the corporate world. Okay, he has been a part of corporate world and he has already made his career. So 5 years of experience we are looking for. And if a person has not worked for a period of 5 years, not continuously, I mean he has not gotten the desired job that he is looking for, even they too can apply. Freshers and experienced people, degree, master's degree, post graduation, preparing for examination, anything you can apply. So this is going to be 45 to 60 days batch, like I said, 2 months, and you will be provided the access for 6 months. Okay, 6 months you can visit us on the application. You will be provided with the videos, PDFs, assessment tests. Once again, we are going to let you know what is assessment test, how to clear. We are not going to provide training, guys. Okay, assessment test, the aptitude, logical and functional training, no, we are not going to do that. We are going to tell you the format, the form of assessment. We are going to guide you what you have to prepare. We are going to let you about the syllabus, which books you have to refer, so on and so on. And after that, definitely resume building, mail responses, calls, HR interviews, the types of interviews, up till the point you get on the onboarding of a MNC. We are going to tell you that. We are going to tell you the timeline, the time frame of when hiring occurs in corporate world, and yes, which is the right way. Because there are a number of job platforms which say that there is job opening, but it is not legitimate. So we are going to try to focus on what the legitimacy of a job is. Okay, and after that, the recorded sessions, definitely recorded sessions will be available to you for a maximum period of 6 months. We will be providing you with the PDFs, we will be providing with you experiences. Okay, we are trying to get in touch with those people who are already part of MNCs, and we are trying to conduct interviews of those people so that they will explain by themselves as to how they took the job, what their experiences were. Okay, so on a short basis, I've just tried to tell you. We'll be conducting tests. Okay, definitely we'll be conducting tests. We'll be teaching according to a specific role. Suppose, for example, if a person wants to join into the technical role, what he has to do. If he wants to join into the the back end, the rollout projects, what he has to do, independent of whichever or whatever his degree is, whatever his experience is, we are going to guide him depending on the specific role. Suppose you want a role into let me talk about okay, data science, and it's not that we are going to get you into some other platform. No, those people who want to do data science, we'll tell them how you should find a job. Those people who want to look into other sector, we are going to tell them differently on a different basis. Okay, so this is it about something, guys. Now coming back to the important point. Okay, what is the important point? I'm talking about fees, guys. Okay, so before that, see, this is the team that is actually going to improve the sessions. Okay, I'm right here, and there are other educators who are highly experienced and professionalized in their own subjects, in their own respective manner. And definitely, guys, these educators, they belong to different various departments. We are going to incorporate them on a maximum basis for the corporate world and MNCs. I will be handling myself the sessions on a maximum basis. We are going to employ different people and different educators on a time basis. Now, like I said, this is a contact number. You can contact us if you want any furthermore info. And about the fees, guys, I hope the fees is not visible or something. Actually, the fees was about 12,000. Okay, actual fees is 12,000 rupees, but depending on our current situation, this is the first batch that we are launching, so we had initially thought that we would reduce it out to 6,000. Okay, fees was 6,000 for a period of 2 months, but then again we thought on this wonderful occasion of the Republic Day, let it be the first batch that takes a grant, and we reduced it furthermore, and our current fees is 4,000 rupees. Okay, current fees is 4,000 for a period of 2 months, guys. for a period of 2 months. On a short basis, I've told you. Once again, once we start up with the classes, I'll tell you in detail about the syllabus. I'll provide you with the PDF format of the syllabus and the content that we are going to post out. Okay, so this is a phase. Download the application. You'll be seeing on Play Store. This is a contact number. If you want to know something furthermore or know in detail, contact us at these numbers and know what actually we are going to employ. So this is about the MNC's batch, MNC's skills program. Sorry guys. So MNC skills program, and soon we are also going to launch a few different programs like English speaking, the financial accountancy, stock market, and then it comes to personality development. So that is a different aspect. So about this multinational companies, corporate world's entrance skills program, there is no specificity that we are going to contain. Okay, any graduate and postgraduate people can apply here. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, those people who are kindly watching me on YouTube, thank you guys once again for joining us on this wonderful session. I hope that you have enjoyed it. So if you have any questions, guys, I'm willing to take questions on your behalf. Okay, those people on YouTube. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know, guys. So thank you everyone, thank you. We really appreciate your effort that you are taking into, implore us, okay, to bring out the best of us. So each and every educator, each and every person tries the best of what he can do, guys, and if the best is not enough, definitely we are going to be the better version than the best. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, any questions on your behalf, kindly ask me. Any question relating to the skills program and relating to the corporate world. Okay, so don't ask me what you're going to do after this session, sir. Yes, and one more thing, guys. A number of students were asking us to develop the quality, okay, of our content. Yes, guys, thank you once again for letting us know. We are currently working on that. We are going to develop the content. We are going to develop the quality of the presentation that we are going to provide you. All right. So I hope no further question, guys. So that will be it for today if you haven't got any further questions. Okay, so that will be it for today, guys. Once again, let me inform you, download the application, Mastery application from Google Play Store. Stay connected with us. Check us out on YouTube. Okay, if you want to know what we are going to do, actually we have uploaded some previous sessions on YouTube. Check those YouTube videos. We have also entered into the platform of Instagram and other social medias. Definitely the description has the links. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. The classes are going to start in from Monday. Okay, that is the day after tomorrow, Monday, the worst day of the week, as many of the people say, but I think it is the same day, today and today. Okay, nonetheless, guys, so that's it for today. Thank you once again for joining us, and thank you for bearing my hand that I've holded this microphone. So be seeing you again in the next session, guys. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a great day until we meet again the next time. So join the Mastery Academy and know your why, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys.